welcome back to the Look Fantastic YouTube channel. I'm Lydia from What Lydia Likes, and today I'm going to be showing you 5 super cute heatless hairstyles using products from Look Fantastic. If you like this video and find it helpful, then please give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below, and don't forget to turn the notification bell on so you never miss a video. So for this first style, I'm just using the Olaplex Bond Smoother. This is great to just tame any flyaways, add in hydration, and it just creates more of a sleek look. I'm just taking my original tangle teaser and brushing my hair through to get rid of any knots. This hairbrush is super gentle and kind to the hair. And then you want to create a half bun, so I'm just pulling my hair into a ponytail and not pulling it all the way through on the last turn. Then with the remaining hair you want to twist this forward and over the top of the bun and pin it underneath in place. When you're pinning the hair underneath, you just want to cross the bobby pins over each other so that it's more secure, and once you're happy with the shape you can then pinch and pull at the sides of the bun to give more volume. I'm then just pulling out some pieces around the front just to frame my face, and this is the first look done. For this next style you want to grab the top layers of your hair and just braid this into a 3-strand braid. You then want to pull on the sides of the braid to create more volume so that when you wrap the bun up at the end it's just going to look a lot more detailed and a little bit thicker. Then taking the braid and twisting this anti-clockwise around itself. You want to make sure that the ends are underneath the bun so that you can hide them out of the way, and then once you're happy just pin it all in place. Then I'm just finishing off the look with this Bumble and Bumble hairspray just to give a little bit more hold. This one's really nice because it doesn't leave your hair feeling crunchy and it is super lightweight. For this next style I'm taking my tangle teaser backcombing brush and just using this to section out the 2 front pieces, so from your crown down to your ear, and then with the remaining hair you want to tie this into a low ponytail, and I'm using my Invisibobble hair tie for this. It just gives so much more volume and it is a lot more gentle. Then you want to take a side section and sweep this over the top of the ponytail, pinning it underneath in place. Repeat the same steps on the other side, but this time you want to cross it underneath that first section and pull the ends through. When you're doing this you want to make sure that the 2 side sections are crossed over each other so that they are covering up the band. So to finish off this style I'm teasing the ponytail and then pulling on the sides just to give more texture and more of a messy kind of undone look. For this next style I'm prepping my hair using the Living Proof dry shampoo. This is an amazing dry shampoo, but I also really love to use it as a texture spray, especially before I do any braids. And again I'm just brushing that product through with my tangle teaser just to get rid of any knots. So to start with the Dutch braid you want to take the top layer of hair and divide this into 3 equal sections. You then want to take the right section and cross this under into the middle, and then the left section and cross this under and into the middle. You then want to drop down the right section, add in some hair and cross them both under into the middle. Then drop down the left section, add in some hair and cross this under into the middle. So again, dropping down the right section, adding in some hair and crossing it under into the middle. Then drop down the left section, add in some hair and cross this into the middle. Secure the ends of the braid with an elastic, and then you want to start to pull on the sides to make the braid appear thicker. So I'm just doing this in really small sections and just working my way down to the end of the braid. I just pulled out a few pieces of hair around the front of my face, and this is the look complete. I just love how much thicker it makes my hair look. For this final style, you want to grab the top layer of hair and tie this into a low ponytail, making sure to leave some hair out on the sides and underneath. You then want to pinch and pull at the base of this to give more volume. You then want to grab a side section, and I've just added on a tiny bit more of the Bond Smoother just because I noticed that the front sections were a little bit dry. And then you just want to braid this section back. I'm securing the ends with a pin for now, and then you just want to repeat the same steps on the other side. When you have two braids, you then want to cross these two over each other and pin the ends underneath the ponytail. And finally, I'm just pinning the centre of the braid just to secure it. I'm also pulling on the sides and pulling on the sides of the braid just to make them stand out a bit more. So this is the last look done. I really hope you found this video helpful. Comment below which was your favourite style, and don't forget to subscribe below for more videos from Look Fantastic. Thanks for watching.